In this video, we listed the 5 best point-and-shoot cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a compact vlogging camera designed for capturing stunning footage with its 1-inch CMOS sensor and 4K video recording capabilities at 120 frames per second, making it ideal for both day and night scenes. Its 2-inch rotating touch screen allows for easy framing in both horizontal and vertical orientations, while advanced 3-axis mechanical stabilization ensures ultra-steady footage, even during dynamic activities. The camera features ActiveTrack 6.0 technology, enabling users to stay in focus effortlessly, and offers fast and accurate subject locking for sharp visuals. With advanced color grading options, including D-Log-M and 10-bit color depth, users can achieve impressive visual effects during post-production. The Osmo Pocket 3 also boasts high-quality stereo audio recording, enhancing the overall video experience. Lightweight and portable, it comes with essential accessories like a protective cover and wrist strap, making it a perfect choice for both novice and experienced vloggers. Battery charger is sold separately, and it is recommended to use the DJI 30W USB-C charger for optimal performance. Number 2. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. The Fujifilm Instant Camera, Model 1680624, is a compact and stylish device designed for capturing high-quality color photographs with ease. Weighing 16 ounces and measuring 4.4 by 3.2 by 5.1 inches, it features a user-friendly design that includes an automatic exposure system and flash control, ensuring bright and clear images without the risk of overexposure. The camera is equipped with a built-in selfie mirror and a close-up mode with parallax correction, making it perfect for taking selfies. It prints 2 inches by 3 inches Instax Mini instant photos in approximately 5 seconds, with a development time of about 90 seconds, using Instax Mini instant film, sold separately. The package includes essential accessories such as a hand strap, user manual, 2 AA batteries, and a 1-year limited warranty, making it a convenient choice for photography enthusiasts. Number 3. Sony Cyber RX100. The Sony CyberShot DSC RX100 III is a compact camera designed for high-quality photography and videography, featuring a Sony E-compatible mount. It is equipped with a 20.1-megapixel 1-inch XMOR RS stacked back-illuminated CMOS sensor, which, combined with its exceptional image stabilization, optical, hybrid, and digital, ensures outstanding image quality even in fast-paced shooting conditions. The camera boasts the world's fastest hybrid autofocus system with a remarkable 0.05-second response time and 315 autofocus points, making it ideal for capturing action and wildlife. Users can take advantage of continuous shooting at speeds up to 24 frames per second while maintaining autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. Additionally, the RX100 III supports 4K video recording without pixel binning and includes advanced features like super slow-motion video at 960 frames per second. It also features a retractable TrueFinder electronic viewfinder for precise framing and control, along with a versatile 3.6x optical zoom lens. With a battery life of up to 330 shots, this camera is perfect for those seeking portability without compromising on performance. Number 4. KODAK EKTAR H35N. The KODAK camera is a compact 35mm device designed for both casual and enthusiast photographers. Weighing just 110 grams and featuring dimensions of 4.33 by 1.77 by 2.56 inches, it is lightweight and portable. This camera includes a built-in star filter that enhances photos of tiny light sources by creating a striking 4-beam flare effect. Its coated glass lens improves image clarity, capturing sharp and vibrant colored photographs. With an automatic exposure control and mechanical shutter, it provides versatility for various shooting conditions, including a bulb function for long exposure shots, making it ideal for capturing trails of moving objects at night. Additionally, a tripod hole is incorporated to facilitate steady shots during long exposures. However, users should note that film, AAA batteries, cable release, and tripod are not part of the included components. Number 5. Ricoh GR II. The Ricoh GR camera is a versatile and compact imaging device designed for high-quality photography, featuring a focal length of 40 mm that closely approximates the human field of view. This snapshot camera, renowned for its blend of portability, quick responsiveness, and exceptional image quality, is equipped with a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, a sharp GR lens, and the advanced GR Engine 6 for superior image processing. With its quick startup time of approximately 0.8 seconds and high-speed hybrid autofocus, it ensures that users can capture moments effortlessly. The camera supports multiple aspect ratios, 1:1 and 3:2, and file formats, MP4, while also incorporating various metering options for enhanced shooting versatility. Overall, the Ricoh GR exemplifies efficiency and performance, making it an ideal choice for photographers seeking both mobility and quality in their work.